Today I found out that this app, Water, is still working. So I will show you how to get it. Why this app is important? So because of so if we show you how to get it first. So first thing you need to install this repo and install Water. Okay, so after you did that, you can get all the old app. This one is for iOS 4, 5 and 6 I think. So you can get everything. Wait, I need to update. So turn it on and click it back on. So this place is so great to get all the old apps like I have here, iPhoto, iMovie, iBooks. The best thing about iBook is wait, it's slow. This is iPod 5, no camera. You can go back and Apple logo is here, hidden. See that? If you don't know, you don't know. Sorry. Oops. Server, oops. So yeah. Maybe my internet. Here. You can get everything you want here. See? And it's free. Oh, last driver. So when you type install, it will let you choose the version. So you just type it and leave it there. And if your Wi-Fi fast, it just download and install instantly. So it takes time, so leave it there. So this is how you get old game on iOS 8. So it will pop up when it install. I have Geekbench 4 too here. iPod Touch 5. So the best practice is leave it open, okay? Leave it open and it's downloading. Maybe it's done. Or maybe it broke. So depend on Wi-Fi, so now it's working again. It's all depend on Wi-Fi, okay? So this is how you get the app.